In this video, we are going to see how to recover or reset Gcash account if you forgot your Gcash Mpin. Step 1. Log in to your account on the Gcash app. Tap Forgot Mpin. If you have not installed Gcash app, download it. Step 2. From the pop-up screen, select Send Code. Gcash will send an authentication code to your registered mobile number. Step 3. Next, enter the authentication code you received and click Submit. If you did not receive the code, tap here to resend. Step 4. Answer the account information of your Gcash account. Step 5. Tap Submit after entering your new Mpin. During the process, you must create a new Mpin that differs from the previous 3 Mpins. Make sure your Mpin is not easy to guess, such as your birthday or 1234 or the last 4 digit of your phone number. Don't share your Mpin or OTP with others. And that's it, guys. After you've successfully reset your Mpin, you will see a confirmation screen. You can start using Gcash after tapping OK to return to the login screen. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.